Here with just a very quick view of the 17th Street Canal, and then I'll shut my mouth so you can hear the sounds of rain on my tin roof. Can you hear that? It's very cool. We've been sitting out here for about, I don't know, half an hour now, and we're taking in the sights and smells, particularly the smells. It's just so fresh and wonderful. We're just enjoying the living hell out of it as we speak. Oh, there we go. An example of someone floating down the 17th Street Canal and intra-city waterway. I kind of like it because the prudent drivers slow down, although we do have asshats in the big jack four-wheel drive pickups that love to go blasting through and showering water everywhere, but we haven't seen any of that today. So far. Doesn't mean we won't. And of course, no video would be complete without a shot of me, the chirp, all bundled up and enjoying the weather as we speak. So, we be done now.